So let's see another way of getting data from a web page. And here I have the top ETFs or exchange traded funds in the US. Okay, similar as the kind of most traded stocks we have seen before. Okay, it has kind of one page. It has 25 ETFs, and you go to the next page, you will see the next bunch. Okay, the initial landing page, I guess, it's not gonna show any kind of starting point account. But if you just play around going to later pages and come back, in the first page you will see this kind of starting point and count. So I'm basically using this URL. Okay, I'm going to copy and paste it to get data from this web page. And let Power BI figure out what I need first. Okay. However, I'm going to, instead of using what Power BI retrieved from that page, I will just give some examples to Power BI and tell BI exactly which columns I wanted, and that's kind of new way to get data. You don't need the entire page. You just need a kind of specific columns. That's probably a good way to go. So here, table one is again the entire page with all the data items, okay, all the columns here. But I'm not going to use this. Instead, I'm going to just tell what I wanted. Okay, use this add table using examples. I'll press this and this dialog box shows up. So for example, here we have symbol. I will have symbol in this table. So I'm going to, first column, I'm going to name it symbol. All right, I will also want a price, I guess. So I will add a column and I will get price information. Okay, and the last one I'm gonna get is 3 months return. Okay, so get another column. I want 3 month return. Okay, then you need to give examples. Okay, you have the columns defined now. First row is gonna be FTXL. So I will just tell Excel. I'm sorry, Power BI. I want FT. So once you type FT, it's already there's some potential choices you can have. So I will just click this one. This first one I want, and the price is 235.03. Okay, so 235. Actually, Power BI kind of figure out what you wanted. So here's a prompt you can use. Okay, and in terms of 3 months return, it's gonna be 1.27%. So I'll type 1.27. Actually, here is the choice. All right. So basically, once you start typing Power BI, try to figure out what piece of information on that web page you try to get. So as I typed 1.20 something, Power BI already kind of remind me there's a plus 1.27%, which is probably what I needed. So I'll just choose that one. The second row is gonna be SOXX. So SOXX. Okay, I'm gonna choose this guy. Here the price is 542.21. 542. Okay, again, I will just pick this choice. And for the 3 months return, 9.05%. See, I haven't really typed anything. Okay, now Power BI already figured out 9.05% is going to be the 3 months return for stocks. And the next one is going to be QLD, I guess. Exactly. And PTF, well, he didn't figure out PTF yet, so I'll just put in PTF here. Seems like the rest of the list is already populated. Let me just randomly check. Okay, for example, this one, XLK. XLK has a price of 186.90. That's exactly right. And has a 3 months return of 10.12. 10.12 exactly. All right, the last one, let me check this last one. FLTW on 98.44 and 7.84, I guess. Yes, exactly. Those information are exactly right. So just by typing a few examples to Power BI figure out the entire list on that page that you want to show. So that's it. So basically now you can click OK. So this list is gonna show, and that's what you wanted. So now you can go transform data and kind of load this data into query editor for further transformation. Okay, so the table is here, and that's exactly what you need. The 25 stocks in the first page with their price and 3 months return.